Hi everyone, Robert Hirsch from Raincatcher here, and we're going to cover a really interesting topic and one that we get a lot of questions about, which is specifically, how do you buy a business? If you've never run a business before, perhaps buying a business, either large or small, might not be the best idea. But if you're an entrepreneur and you have a special skill set on how to run, operate, and sell small businesses, to me, it's the most undervalued asset class. You know, I look at some of my friends that are not in the business world, and they take their money and they put it into the stock market, and they're hoping to get 5% after taxes. This is something where if you have the right skill set, this is probably the most undervalued asset class, and the reason for that is because the potential pool of people, of entrepreneurs, is much smaller than the people that can buy a stock. Let's talk about the myth of the $1 million idea. What's the difference between $1 million and $1 million idea? It's $1 million execution. And the good news is that's a learnable, teachable skill. I mean, it's just like driving a race car. You don't go into the first corner at 170 miles an hour and figure out what you're going to do afterwards. You know, you start slowly, you go in at maybe 40 miles an hour and then 45 miles an hour and then 50, and you start to build this skill set. So as you're building your entrepreneurial skill set and building your entrepreneurial chops, buying a business can be one of the biggest shortcuts in the world. And I don't know a better way to be able to learn more about entrepreneurship and specifically the skills that allow you to succeed than here at Self-Made Man.